Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to make the perfect particle system in Scratch. So let's get started. First, create any particle you want, it can be anything. Create a circle. You can give it an 5-layer outline. Then you can duplicate it, and if you want you can also give it a white outline. Create Scratchy. Name this particle. Then copy the name and also name the sprite particle. Then when flag clicked, we can then also create a new block. Name create clones, and then put an input also named clones. Run without screen refresh. Also put a repeat clones here, and then create clone of myself. In the when green flag clicked block forever if mouse down, create clones, and we can create 23, and then put a wait until not mouse down. Now create clones. When I start as a clone, we can create two new variables, x and y, for this part only. Then we can set x and y to pick random 10, 19 to minus 20, and we can set this to 10 to 15, and we can also set ghost effect to pick random 80 to 100. We can also set size to pick random 100 to 130. Then we can repeat until touching edge. Change x, change y by x and y. Set x to x multiply by 0.002. Also we can change the ghost effect by 5. Set x to x multiply, and we can also change y by -1, and then after that we can delete the clone. I can also show here and hide here. So let's see if it works. It does work, but it is not on the go to mouse pointer. So let's first do that. Now it does work, but it does not have enough x velocity. Let me just change it to 0.0001. No, wait. Let's change this to 0.9. Now that looks good. There's also not enough y, so let's change this to 20. We also need the particles to spread, so let's change this to -20. Let's see what happens. Now that's much better. You can also change, if you want to change the speed, you can set this to a lower value, but I like this speed. If you want, you can also set sound effects. We can start sound. Let's see a good sound here. Effects. No. Now that looks good. You can also create many costumes, many different costumes, and we can set the particle to change between them in random, like this square. We can set it so it's also switch costumes to pick random 1 to 2. Now summer square. So now let's also add direction. We can point in direction, pick random 0 to 360. Now that looks good. We can also turn 3 degrees, which also looks good. So now this is the end of this particle tutorial. This was a very short tutorial showing how to make the perfect particle system.